Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best 4K camera drone, the LS-V198 Pro. This drone is compact, powerful, and loaded with smart features, so stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: portable and compact design. The LS-V198 Pro features foldable arms, making it super easy to carry and store. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just heading to the park, its compact build makes it ideal for on-the-go aerial photography without any hassle. Advanced GPS positioning. With GPS positioning mode, this drone maintains precise navigation and stable hovering. This means smoother footage and less worry about losing control, even when capturing high altitude or moving shots. High-definition camera options. You get camera options ranging from 1080p to an incredible 8K. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a serious content creator, the image and video quality of the LS-V198 Pro delivers stunning clarity every time. Long FPV range with 5G Wi-Fi. Thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, the drone offers up to 3,000 meters of FPV range. That's right. You can explore large areas while watching a live video feed directly on your smartphone in real time. Cinematic flight modes. With waypoint flight, orbital motion, and altitude hold, cinematic shots are easier than ever. Set a custom flight path, circle around objects, or keep the drone stable in the air. It's all designed for creative freedom. Durable build quality. Crafted from high-strength engineering plastic, the LS-198 Pro is both lightweight and tough. It can handle minor bumps and crashes, making it a durable choice for outdoor use. Enhanced flight safety. This drone comes with overcurrent and low battery protection. These built-in safeguards give you peace of mind while flying, preventing damage from power issues or misjudged flight times. Long flight time. You'll enjoy 22 to 30 minutes of continuous flight time on a single charge. That's plenty of time to capture breathtaking views or cinematic footage without constantly swapping batteries. Adjustable flight speeds. The LS-V198 Pro offers 3 speed settings so you can customize how it flies. Whether you're doing a slow, scenic flyby or zipping around in sport mode, it adapts to your skill level and needs. Pros. Let's start with the first benefit. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Next up, the GPS mode adds stability and peace of mind during flight. Another great point is the wide range of camera options, up to 8K. And here's one more. The FPV range is huge, up to 3,000 meters. Let's not forget about the intelligent flight modes, ideal for cool cinematic shots. Also, its beginner-friendly controls are great for new users. Plus, the sturdy plastic build makes it durable for outdoor use. It has long flight time, around 22 to 30 minutes. Lastly, adjustable flight speeds make it fun and flexible to fly. Cons. Now, let's talk about some things to keep in mind. Also worth mentioning, while 8K video is available, it may require more advanced editing tools. Another point to consider is that wind resistance may be limited in very strong winds, given its lightweight design. Final thoughts. If you want a portable, feature-rich drone with amazing camera options and long flight time, the LS-V198 Pro is a fantastic choice. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to BackTech Product and like this video if you found it helpful.